Data virtualization for Autodesk is something that's important to our community just at large because they want information and they want that information now, and they want that information without having to know every single bit of all the systems that provide it. They don't have to be experts. They just want to get their job done. Autodesk as a software company, we're probably the most famous and most easily recognizable 3D software company out there. You've seen us for making movies, making cars, making buildings, designing infrastructure. You want to make anything, it's Autodesk. What it means is your business needs to be able to get their information, and they need their information to work, and they always need it to work better. Being able to take that information into cloud and distribute it differently, being able to meet the need in different ways with cloud and monitor what's going on and change how we deliver it over time means that we can change the way we meet the business need even before the business need calls up and says, hey, we need more. You just see it happen in the cloud, and then you're able to respond to it, and they just wake up the next day and it's better and they're happy even without having asked you to make them happy. So that's why cloud, and that's why data virtualization in the cloud. With data virtualization, we can see all the queries they run, we can see everything they're doing with it, and we can see what it does to the back-end systems all at the same time. Our architecture in the world for Denodo has that split different server types. The architecture has those different load balancers to feed the different needs for web service or database, all of it automated through those Amazon CloudFormation templates, and all of it able to completely self-heal, restore, scale. Nobody has to go in and tell it to do anything. The concept of no manual step really means no manual step. We're currently going through other kinds of transformations where we consolidate our BI tools and bring our intelligence down to a much more easy to manage landscape. And that has involved data virtualization by being able to take an existing system that hasn't been virtualized, virtualize the KPIs, the metrics, the work that's being done with that. And then once that's done and we can see, yes, it's providing the same information there, now everything is able to completely swap out with that virtualization and just attach a tool to it, and the migrations become so much easier to handle at that point. It's just plug and play. That's where virtualization has really helped us, is that plug and play concept for business intelligence. We can go through and recreate any kind of intelligence activity with data virtualization. We can do things with data virtualization, which is part of the advertising package and has been for years, so again, that's nothing new. But we can do things with that virtualization package that no BI tool can do out of the box. Data virtualization, as you mentioned, has a lot of different possibilities out there. In the original purchase for Denodo, why Autodesk signed on that dotted line was the customer support and the ease of which it was able to be learned and provided to others and have them ramp up on it. That remains true today, and those are still the remaining reasons we have stuck with Denodo for that time, is the customer support has been incredible, one of our best experiences, and the ability to take this to anyone who knows SQL in general, or just knows what they want because of the point-and-click interfaces, and it can help guide them through generating those SQL and those service calls, has been a wonderful experience.